Hi guys, welcome on my channel again. My name is Dorota Palicka. You can see some of the messy stuff on my desk. I have been playing with different designs, and today I will show you some 3D acrylic flowers. On previous videos you could see how I'm doing the ombre with the gels, and that's what I'm going to start off. But you can see the tiled description how to do that in my other videos. So here we've got white and yellow ombre. Once I'm happy with it, I can cure it. This will be a background for our 3D flower. I can prepare my powders. So it will be a pink, white. I'm using some crystals. I think it will be looking really nice in the middle of the flower. I have to put the top coat if I want to play with some acrylic flowers on top of my background. Sorry, I have to work because there is always something. There we are. Once it's cured, I can put the top coat on it. And then cure it again. So we'll be doing some 3D flowers to match to this design. You can see I have done a little mermaid, and then on the top of the on the both of the side I have done different tips to go with this painting. And then here I've got Disney princess animal, and I will be doing two other tips to match with it. On this video I will show you only the one with the 3D flowers. So that's my tip cured. And what I'm going to do is I will buffet it gently just so I get a better grip for the flowers. And also I want to secure some crystals as well, and I like to do it on the not rough surface so the glue works better. Can remove the dust, and then stick in a little crystal as the middle of the flower. I'm going to use the new Perfect brush on glue. Got too much of the blue tuck. Have to wait for the glue to dry nice, because otherwise it can damage your acrylic brush. And the brush for the 3D flowers, that's a new Perfect 3D brush. I've got a little bit of liquid here. I grab some wipes. And now I'm going to do the 5-petal flower. So I'm picking up an extremely small amount of the powder and I'm drying it out on my petals. Place another one, and now I'm just going to shape it as a petal. That's the first one ready. Second one, again very tiny bit. Each time I just dry it out a little bit so I don't have too much liquid. That was a bit too dry. I want also some petals on the bottom of the flower, so I'm place them now. This is always saving me a lot of time. I don't have to wait as long. So those two petals are coming in between. There will be another small one in the middle. And just the same on the other side. You can see I'm dragging it to go in between those flowers. Now I have to add lots of crystals. This box is a bit too full. So in each place when we've got some petals to join in, there is a small crystal going on. And I will also do a few crystals here as well. And that's the tip finished. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, like and subscribe. You can see it, as it will go well together. Thanks for watching. Bye!